If weight loss is one of your workout goals, and you spend hours working out, either you go to a gym or have a home gym. In either case, using the right equipment is very important. Not all machines in the gym or fitness stores are beneficial for weight loss. These are 15 best gym machines for weight loss that are good for promoting weight loss. 1. Treadmill. Walking and jogging are both excellent forms of exercise to boost metabolism and burn calories. While some people prefer to walk or jog outdoors, the weather doesn't always work in our favor. An at-home treadmill provides convenience for those times when bad weather forces you to exercise indoors. Additionally, many people find it helpful to be able to work out in short intervals. Treadmills also offer a lot of versatility in terms of getting a good calorie burn for the time spent working out. For example, simply changing the speed or the incline of the treadmill can drastically affect the total number of calories you burn per session. This also keeps each workout exciting and, in turn, prevents exercise boredom. A treadmill can be set up anywhere within your home. You can even place it in front of the television to encourage you to spend more time exercising each day. 2. Elliptical machines. Elliptical machines activate all the major muscles of the lower body, including the glutes, thighs, and calves. Using the elliptical properly also engages your core for an effective full body workout. A major benefit to elliptical machines is that they provide a fluid and smooth motion. This means there is virtually no pressure placed on the joints of the hips, knees, or ankles. However, you are still standing to perform the workout, which burns more calories. Increase the machine's resistance setting and you'll create a more challenging workout that burns even more calories, resulting in effective weight loss and muscle building. 3. Fan bike. When it comes to how to lose weight at the gym, there's no shortage of options. And thanks to new trends and boutique fitness studios, the average gym is introducing new equipment all the time. Walk into any CrossFit box and you'll probably find an air bike, also called a fan bike, known for providing high intensity but also good for moderate riding. Unlike traditional stationary bikes, air bikes have moving handles, so your upper body also engages as you pedal. And because your body's movements control the intensity, the bike is especially useful for fat-blasting interval training. Fan bikes allow you to perform at a very high intensity with minimal joint strain and impact, says Shane Cups, a personal trainer and program coordinator at Bankers Hall Club in Calgary. Bonus, the front wheel on these bikes is a fan, so the harder you pedal, the more cooling effect you get as you sweat. 4. Rowing machine. Rowing machines provide a perfect total body workout, engaging both your upper and lower body while you exercise. Designed to simulate the body movements made when rowing a boat, these machines burn a lot of calories as you work for all the major muscle groups. Rowing machines are a great choice for those who are just beginning to exercise or those who are severely overweight. Since your workout is performed in a seated position, there's no strain on your legs or knees. This can allow you to lose a moderate amount of weight before you try other forms of cardiovascular exercise that can place more of a burden on the joints. 5. Stationary bike. Stationary bikes are a fun way to squeeze cardiovascular exercise into your busy day. Stationary bikes are usually much more affordable than treadmills or ellipticals, another bonus for people on a budget. Stationary bikes are fantastic for individuals who are just getting started with an exercise program or those who have suffered an injury of some type. There's less strain on the legs, knees, and lower back. Stationary bikes make it easy to read a book while losing weight and getting fit too. Newer stationary bike models even offer interval training routines to keep your workouts exciting. 6. Ski machine. Ski machines have been around forever, and it makes sense why they rank high when it comes to zapping calories, because they recruit so many large muscle groups. What's trending these days, though, is the skiing machine, found in many CrossFit locations. This machine simulates cross-country skiing and is quite similar to a rowing machine, but with a vertical orientation. The goal is to pull both the machine's cables downward at the same time, similar to how you'd use ski poles. Works the legs, arms, and core. If a strong core is your goal, these ab exercises are even better than sit-ups. 7. Lateral trainer. A lateral trainer is similar to an elliptical machine, but you move your legs side to side instead of forward and back. Since cardio machines commonly promote a forward and backward motion, shaking up your workout with sideways motion amps up intensity, so you end up torching extra calories. Plus, you'll likely target and strengthen muscles in a new way. 8. Group cycling bikes. Most gyms have stationary bikes, but the best ones for revving up weight loss are often found in the group exercise studio, whether you ride them as part of a class or cycle solo. Indoor bikes for group cycling tend to fit a rider differently than a stationary bike, says Krista Popovich, a Vancouver, BC-based fitness expert and master trainer for Kaiser, a company that creates exercise equipment including bikes and education for group cycling. These bikes allow for more adjustment points, such as seat height, saddle fore and AFT, front and back position, handlebar height and handlebar fore and AFT position. The more you can tailor the bike's fit to your body, the more comfortable the ride. And the more comfortable you feel on the bike, the longer you'll be able to ride, which counts toward weight loss. Indoor bikes also have a very smooth pedaling feel to them, says Popovich, because they're built to mimic outdoor riding. For this reason, they complement exercise techniques like interval training that burn lots of calories. 9. Stepmill by Stairmaster. Sort of like a fast-moving escalator for the gym, this machine stimulates climbing stairs, except the steps move. This is one of the hardest pieces of cardio equipment, says Westerman. It's like a treadmill with stairs. One reason it works so well for weight loss is the potential for calorie burn. You could climb the equivalent of 10 or 20 flights of stairs. You're working against gravity, essentially going up a flight of stairs, and you're forced to bear most of your body weight, explains Westerman. Plus, adds Westerman, you have to lift your foot off of the step and up onto the next step as opposed to a Stairmaster or elliptical trainer, where your feet stay planted on one step for the duration of the workout. This extra movement causes more work and burns more calories. 10. Gym ball. A gym ball lets you work out comfortably without exerting too much pressure on your body. It works wonders on your back and abdomen and gives you space for stretching your body. The best part about using a gym ball as a weight loss machine is that it provides cushiony support that protects the body from experiencing sudden jerks and sprains. It is easily available in the market and you can keep one at home too. It is again a highly transportable weight loss machine, which is easy to use. 11. Stepper machine. Using this weight loss machine is a highly effective way of achieving your goal of weight loss. This machine concentratedly works on your abs and legs. It burns calories while providing strength training workout to the body and building upper body strength and ultimately losing weight. It is again a pretty simple weight loss machine to use and can be easily installed at home as well. 12. Inversion table. This weight loss machine looks like a seesaw, which can be easily installed at home too. For its use, you have to lie down on the inversion table while it starts working on your body. Since you are lying down on the machine, you are bringing your entire body in its contract, which lets this machine work on the entire body. This weight loss machine encourages cellulite reduction, which in turn helps you to lose weight. 13. A-flat roller machine. This weight loss machine is lightweight and especially meant for which is suitable abdominal exercises. This weight loss machine is especially meant for you to lose your belly fat, which is stubborn. But with regular use of this machine, you can give your desired shape to your abs. 14. Morning walker. Now even if you miss your walk, not to worry. You have a solution present right here in the morning walker. It is a super easy to use weight loss machine, which does not even exert your body as much as your walks do. This weight loss machine houses a DC motor and infrared vibrations that help in forming a healthy and fit body. 15. Vibration exercise machine. The vibration exercise machine is one of the latest ones to be introduced in the weight loss industry. This weight loss machine focuses on removing the cellulite from the body, thereby leading to weight loss. It is a weight loss machine that vibrates and uses the most recent and advanced technology in its manufacturing and functioning. As you can see, each of these 15 exercise machines offers its unique benefits to boost weight loss and improve your health. Remember, the most effective piece of exercise equipment is one you'll use regularly. Before you buy, it's important to evaluate your interests when it comes to exercise and choose the machine that best aligns with your goals. The exercise machines mentioned here are all great options for a home gym that will put you on the path toward reaching your weight loss goals. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe after viewing. Thanks for watching it.